What's the first step? Should I close my eyes?
Is this? No, you don't need to close your eyes. Did you came here last time?
Yes, this is my.
Oops. Sorry, you have to ring the devil. 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 You have to ring
Ding
What does he have
dong.
to do?
No, that's not. You have to go outside to ring the devil.
Start over.
Hey.
Say cut.